In this video, I'll guide you through how to approve expense claims in Xero. If you're a manager, bookkeeper, or anyone responsible for signing off on expenses, this process is something you'll probably do often, so it's worth getting comfortable with it. We'll move step by step from logging in right through to approving the claims, keeping everything clear and straightforward as we go. Let's start at the beginning. Open your web browser and go to the Xero website. Once you're there, log into your Xero account as you normally would, using the organization where you manage expenses. It's a good idea to make sure you have the right user permissions to approve expenses. Typically, you'll need an advisor or approver role set up by your Xero admin. After logging in, you'll land on the main dashboard for that organization. From the dashboard, look for the main navigation menu along the top of the screen. Find the option labeled Purchases. This is where Xero groups together things your business is spending money on, such as bills, purchase orders, and expense claims. Go ahead and click on Purchases. This helps narrow down your view so you're only dealing with outgoing money-related items. Once you're in the purchases area, you'll see a few different sections. Here, you want to focus on employee or user expenses. Click on the option labeled Expenses. This takes you into Xero's dedicated expenses section, where you can see claims that staff have submitted, along with their current status, such as submitted, approved, or paid. If you manage a team, this is where you'll review what's been claimed before it hits your accounts. Now that you're in the expenses area, you'll want to find the list of claims that are waiting for your approval. Look for the tab or filter that shows submitted or pending expenses, usually something like to review or awaiting approval. Click on that option to bring up all the expense claims that need your attention. This view is useful because it gathers only the items that still require action instead of mixing them with already approved or paid claims. Here, take a moment to scan through the list. You'll see details like the employee's name, the date, the amount, and a brief description of what the expense is for. If you need more detail on a specific claim, you can usually click into it to see attached receipts or notes. As you review, check that each claim is legitimate, coded to the right account, and matches your internal expense policy. Once you're comfortable with the claims you want to approve, select them. You can either open each expense individually and choose the approve option inside, or if Xero allows it in your view, tick multiple claims at once. With the relevant expense claim selected, click the Approve button. This action confirms that you're happy with those expenses and moves them into the next stage of your workflow, often making them ready for payment or reimbursement. That's all there is to it. You've gone from logging into Xero, navigating through purchases, into expenses, reviewing pending claims, and approving the ones that are ready to go. Follow this same process whenever new expense claims come in, and you'll keep your approvals timely, accurate, and easy to manage.